Good morning. Oh, we're so glad you're here. We daily vlog. So if you enjoy this, little Irishman come back every day.
You like it?
There are certain things in the year that you must buy regardless of belief, and it's for cultural reasons. You cannot pass pączkis when you're at Jewel. So we got these the other day, and James just found them and brought them out like a teddy bear. Please. Thank you.
Asking so nicely. Yay!
Wow. Which one do you want to try? This one, this one.
Is it gonna be yummy?
This one, this one.
Squad.
So scared. I'm really shaking and really scared of heights. Like I'm literally choosing my food. And I get like halfway down.
Evie, you cannot get in on the pączki fun.
I think I'm good.
If you want some love, just let me know.
Baby's first pączki. Like a true Chicagoan.
You like it? Oh, that's good.
What's that?
A pączki dance is real.
You see that when his eyes lit up when he saw me biting this jelly one? I got both babes with me. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. We're gonna walk to Target, grab some diapers, maybe go by a park. It is still like 28 degrees right now, but it's supposed to get to above 40 in the next 2-3 hours. So it feels great. There's not a cloud in the sky, which is always great. Forgot my sunnies, but we got our St. Patrick's Day vibes going on. The hat, thinking about watching Quiet Man, thinking about just green stuff, you know? And I realized I walked past Elevate, the coffee joint that Sarah went to last week, to grab a cup of Joe. Check it out. CTA Subway up on the new track. It's been way too long since we've been on that puppy. Oh yeah. We're gonna make our way to a park and see what's going on over there by Christina and Grant's old apartment. All right, you guys remember this park? Next to the Chicago Public School? So we got the joint to ourselves for the moment. I'm sure as it gets warmer and warmer, people will start showing up. Yeah, is that fun? Let's go look around. Here you go. We were about to leave per James's request. Got him the stroller and everything, and then he's making his uncle proud, saw a soccer ball across the field, and I was like, hey, oh man, nice. Go, 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 go. Kick. Kick. Go, go, go. Goal. Woo. I only think I got a couple seconds of him dribbling the soccer ball like that because it was more important to me to call his Uncle Grant and get him on FaceTime to show him. Thought he'd get a kick out of that, and then I realized, then I called Sarah because I wanted her to see him being so good at dribbling the soccer ball, and then I was like, wait, I didn't get it for the vlog, but hey, more important the family members saw that. We did it for like 10 minutes, like he was having so much fun doing that, and that was all like, he saw the ball from across the field, like this far away, all the way over there, and I was like, hey, who am I to stop you from play? So we're gonna leave now and go to Target. We're gonna leave now and go to Target, pick up diapers for James, wipes for both the children's, and then head back. Sarah's, I'd say like 60% done editing the vlog that's gonna go up today. So, pretty fun morning. This is fun stuff, guys. Having these little guys with me. Something super cool I just realized walking past this building. So this building has been taking a good amount of time for them to build. Looks like a standard 6 flat building with storefront on the first floor, right? But I'll try to zoom in a second. Clearly, like what they do is they build the exoskeleton of the building first, and those glass window panes don't go in to close off the actual interior for some time. People have graffitied the cement on the inside, and they're not gonna paint over that. They're just gonna like drywall something over it. But how cool would it be to like you go do like a repair in your apartment home one day, or go to take a drywall down to like add electrical or hang a TV or something like that, and then you find like cool graffiti behind it. I would almost like want that exposed. It's so cool. You can kind of see that's inside the house. Same on that one. There's another one right over there on the patio. So cool. All right, Target did not have James's diapers, so we're gonna go to Jewel and then go home. Well, wow. The whole family's out.
Yes.
We had quite the exhilarating moment. Ooh,
Oh
traffic. So we forgot we had another apartment showing today, so I was actually in the shower when they showed up, and Sarah was like,
Knock, 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 and I was like, oh my gosh, it, like everything came back to me.
And I didn't clean, like I've been doing the dishes at night while Sarah edits, but we didn't do either of those last night. So the kitchen was a bit of a sty, and I was in the shower, so Sarah was like, can you give us 10 minutes? And so we just like got the place ready, took Eve for a little walk, and now we're going to Whole Foods to return some stuff from Amazon, and then...
Yeah, so we got a clock that like will actually ring and really wake us up. But the second hand was like off of it when it came, so I ordered a new one, but I have to return this.
And then we're gonna see about doing something fun today in the neighborhood or downtown or
we don't have a plan
somewhere
at all.
We are going to Gallagher Way to eat some pizza and some chips.
Yeah, we used the last of our cash on 2 vegan slices of pizza and some chips, so we're gonna have like a mini picnic.
Yes.
I don't know, should we go downtown? We're going to be downtown for Valentine's Day. So I don't know, we might want to just soak in our area.
Right, and we can go to Southport maybe. Go to a park over there.
Teddy is asleep, so.
Teddy's asleep?
Yeah.
Which was needed.
Yeah.
And hopefully James falls asleep too, so it's kind of like gives me Southport vibes, because then it's like us just strolling versus going on a train and being in buildings and maybe having to go up and down elevators and crowded places. So let's eat and see. Teddy just fell asleep, and I think Jamesy just fell asleep right as we get to a, what do we call this? Like, should we call it Diet Gallagher Way, like we call it Diet Epcot?
Yeah.
When there's no festival?
Yeah.
Like, not every day you get to just walk in the Gallagher Way with no security or nothing.
Yeah.
But there's still some high tables that are like permanent.
Perfect.
And then the bleachers over there. Like, I want the bleacher, but I want to be in the sun.
Yeah, it's so sunny, but like really that's what makes it nice out. Like the temperature is decent.
Yeah.
But like you can tell my eyes are watering like crazy.
It's the wind that makes it cold still, but it's like high 30s, low 40s. The people of Chicago are out.
Yeah. So these are vegan mushroom broccoli pizza from Whole Foods. And what I like about their vegan pizza is they don't like load on the cheese. It's just like a little taste. And these slices were so big I had to break them, so nice.
Sarah's in this thrift shop, S. Rosengarten Company. Antiques, arcs, interesting items for the home. Anything good? Anything you want to get?
I was actually like eavesdropping.
Oh.
Or something. They were like planting these lampshades and piping and
Ooh.
fabric. And they were like, it's going to be exquisite.
Anything you want to get?
There are two nice chairs in there, but I think the color is not what we want. They're
Okay.
beautiful. They're like velvet blue.
Ooh, that's
They're a little
different.
bit worn because they're like antique. Like you could put little arm covers on. You awake now? You're back from our stroll? So So both of the kids took nice long naps. Peter and I went on a long walk through a bunch of different areas in our neck of the woods. So now we're all just crashed on the couch watching Brave. We got word back from the rental management people for the townhouse in Florida, and we have a plan now to get our deposit down there. So we're that much closer to being 100%. Yeah, what do you think? You wanna go to Florida? Yeah. Teddy's like Mama, and we have Illinois birth certificates, and Jamesie's like Daddy, and they have Florida birth certificates. Isn't that cool? Yeah, that's cool.
After the walk and adventure, we put on Brave because we are in our St. Patrick's Day feels. You know what's next? Wait for it, wait for it. Gotta go to our purchased stream. Be quiet, man. For St. Patrick's Day, we have a green alien.
Wow! Let's do it.
Let's go to Raglan Road.
Very soon. You know what we haven't done ever? Gideon's Bakehouse.
Yeah.
We've done
We've been to East Market.
Yeah, the original one. I'm so excited to go back to the East Market.
Yeah.
So we were talking about dinner, and we were thinking that nothing that we had planned sounded good. We've both been having a taste for a burger, but it's been February, so I'm going to get the ingredients from the grocery store, and then I'm gonna make them plant-based at home. We interrupt this montage for Easter candy. Can I resist? It is staying lighter out longer, and it's awesome. But anyways, I left without any Easter candy, but I did get the boys their Valentine's Day stuff because it looked like there wasn't a lot left, and I don't know if they'll be getting more before the holiday. I do have a Valentine's Day surprise that I've literally told not a single soul, which is exciting. But yeah, I got them their little treats. And I'm home. I'm ready to make the burgers. Hey you. Hey you. Hi. Are you a Looney Tune or what? You been having fun? What's going on over there? Relaxing. Got my sous chef with me again today. He's already eaten all of his tomatoes. I'm going to make smashed potatoes, so I am boiling them first. While those get situated, I am cooking down some onions for burger toppings. I know, those buns look good. They're for the burgers. You can't see them, but the potatoes are there. They are soft, so I put them in the strainer. And now I'm going to toss them in that garlic spread from Mariano's that we've been loving. I'm gonna toss it and add, and then smash them on a baking dish, baking tray. This thing. That's what I'm gonna put it on. I mixed it up with the garlic spread. I added a little bit more garlic along with some salt, some pepper, and rosemary. It's all dumped out on the sheet. Now I'm gonna smash them with a fork and try to get a little bit more space between them. Maybe I'll put them between two sheets instead. Also, my onions, I flavored them up with some soy sauce and garlic. They've been cooking away. They were getting really bubbly, so now I just have them on low, and they're just gonna cook and cook and cook while everything else gets situated. Alrighty, I have my little flat top all heated up and greased up, and I seasoned the patties with soy sauce as well as this seasoning. It has all kinds of stuff in there. Just figured it was easiest. I'm gonna cook them on both sides for a couple minutes, wait for the potatoes to be done, and manja. Oh, I'm also making a salad. Here is the base of my little salad dressing. It is sweet chili sauce from Trader Joe's with red wine vinegar and a little bit of olive oil. So that's gonna be like the base, and I'll probably add in some garlic, salt, and pepper. But it's gonna be a sweet salad with nuts and dried cranberries. Alrighty, the burgers are done. I'm gonna cover those up and toast the buns. Here are our toppings. We have ketchup, barbecue sauce, pickles, our onions, tomato and lettuce, and here's a little mayo, seasoning, salt, ketchup mix. Here is the salad, pretty simple. And then our smashed potatoes. They probably could have cooked a little longer to get a little crispier, but we are hungry. Okay, I kind of went all out with these burgers. Here's my setup. It's a regular Krabby Patty. Let's eat. Dinner was really yummy. After it, we went basically straight into bath time and bedtime, and the kids have been asleep. And I'm actually editing tonight. We're doing the routine, really to set ourselves up for success tomorrow. We are finally being reunited with my sisters and their families. If you've been following along, we were sick after the cruise, and then they had been sick, and so finally everyone is well, and we're gonna enjoy the Super Bowl. I don't even know who's playing, but we're gonna have snacks, and we're gonna finally celebrate Violet's birthday. She turned 5, and my older sister Jenna's birthday. So we're excited, and we just want to like be able to fully enjoy the day. So getting everything done tonight, and it'll be an early start tomorrow with the boys getting haircuts. It is good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.